TE6 on your side, Storm Team.
Dry across the area right now, but still some reduced visibility. In fact, you can kind of still see the haze off in the distance being lit up from underneath by some of the street lights and business lights. This is the TIS Insurance Services building there in West Knoxville, and we still have some poor air quality in these areas shaded here in orange. That just means unhealthy for some. If you have respiratory issues, emphysema, asthma, COPD, you wouldn't want to be outside doing strenuous exercising or activity. And even the odds of that happening, 11, 17 are pretty low. The good news is it gets a little better as we go through the day tomorrow as our rain chances go up. No rain across our area. There's just a little bit trying to kind of fizzle out, if you will, coming into our region. Upper 60s on the plateau, but still a muggy 76 in Oak Ridge and 75 degrees in Dandridge. Let's pull back out just a little bit. That's that last little bit of rain I just showed you trying to come across the Kentucky border. But I'll watch a couple of storms developing up in Indiana and eventually some others that should develop further to the north just behind that warm front. Let's go from where we are now to 11 o'clock and take it into early tomorrow morning. You see a few storms popping up. This is 3 a.m. So the majority of the overnight hours look fairly quiet, but that morning commute could be a bit on the damp side. This is 8 a.m. Now, I'm less concerned about a severe threat overnight, but there could be some lightning, heavy rainfall, and some gusty winds with some of these during the morning commute. So we are weather aware. There's one round this morning, but as we go through the afternoon tomorrow, another round of severe thunderstorms. And again, it's not just us, it's areas back to the north and west as well. So let's kind of talk about tomorrow. Let's go into the afternoon. Midday is quiet. Temperatures will start to warm up, especially if we get a little bit of sunshine. I took highs down a bit, had low 90s earlier today, but thinking more like mid to upper 80s for highs because of the morning rain chances and the afternoon clouds. That said, there's still a lot of fuel for storms to pop up in the afternoon, and where they develop, locally heavy rainfall and the potential for some damaging wind gusts. That's why we're staying weather aware into the evening and early nighttime hours. This is 7 o'clock. Things start to quiet down the way it's looking past sunset on Friday. Saturday, look familiar? Kind of the same areas once again of an enhanced risk for severe thunderstorms, level 2 out of 5 for just about everybody. We'll do this all over again. So why do we keep seeing these storms developing to the north and heading our way? Well, we have a big dome of high pressure that's sitting across the Arklatex area, and you get clockwise wind flow around these. So as storms develop, they follow the upper level wind patterns, and they take these storms right down across our area. That's why storms made their way into Middle Tennessee today, and we have a chance in our area late tonight through tomorrow, and then again tomorrow afternoon. Now, this area of high pressure moves a little further to the east during the day tomorrow. This is 11 p.m. Friday. Then that whole risk area shifts a little further east as we go into Saturday because the high is moving to the east. So by the time we get to Sunday, I think the risk areas will be gone. I still think there's a chance for some scattered strong to severe storms, but notice our flow right across our area. So our storm chances are more typical afternoon and evening like you would see in the summer instead of the overnight early morning variety. Remember the ones we had last Sunday across the area? Same type of setup back then, same type of setup tonight and tomorrow night as well. But it's late week into early next week, we'll see that pattern change. So a few showers and storms towards daybreak tomorrow, but I'm not so convinced there'll be a severe threat. But in the afternoon tomorrow, there is an opportunity redeveloping. So 2 chances tomorrow, one morning, one late afternoon, probably more like into the evening hours between, I'd say, 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. tomorrow night, the way it's shaping up. Now, as we get into the weekend, as I mentioned, especially Sunday and Monday, those are just your typical pop-up afternoon shower and storm chances. Still have a risk to be on the stronger side, but bigger impact may be locally heavy rainfall where they do develop. And yeah, I mean, 4th of July looks like a typical 4th of July. It's warm, it's humid, a pop-up random afternoon thunderstorm. Let's just hope it's not right over your cookout or maybe where you're going to be watching some fireworks. We'll keep an eye on that.
Yeah.